Hello guys, welcome to the another lecture in talent tutorials from Cognitive Hub channel. So in this video I am going to explain about how we need to import how we need to display the folders which are hidden in the palette. So what I am going to do here is I am going to illustrate one new concept that we have in talent. Suppose if you consider the palette here, suppose I want a few objects few components like from the orchestration like T replicate and all. So if you consider this, what are the fields that you have, what are the components that you have in the orchestration, so those won't be present here. Suppose if you consider something like T run job or something related to the orchestration like flow after the flow, it won't be present here like T flow to iterate and all. So it is not there in the orchestration folder. Similarly, if you consider the T hash input or T hash output, so if you consider T hash input, so it is not getting in the below options, that means it is not there. Similarly, the T hash output is also not there. So what it is showing is the T hash input and T hash output will normally present inside the technical field inside the parent, but it is not present on the right side parent. But how you need to get in to the right side is because the technical options and orchestration are the default ones in your palettes. These are not those are not the custom components in your studio. These are all the existing ones, but normally a few times it might be it will happen those components will hidden inside the desired palette. So for that, what you need to do is go to the file and click the edit project properties and click the designers here, and inside that we have a palette settings. So inside that, what we have is what are the jobs that what are the component folders that you have inside the palette. It will all show is over what are the what I mean is what are the fields, what are the folders that is present inside the job designs inside the show file show field. It will show in the palette section, but what are the fields that we have in the hide section, it won't be present inside the inside the palette section. Suppose if you consider technical, inside this we have as I already mentioned about, we have already searched for T hash input and T hash output. Those while we are searching, it is not getting. The same thing for orchestration as well. So if you consider the orchestration, the T run job, T pre job, T post job, and T flow to iterate, what are the things that are related to orchestration? If you are trying to use it inside the job, it won't applicable until it is inside the hide folder. But if you want to use that inside, if you want to be appear inside that, and if you want to use those components to in the talent studio and talent jobs, what you need to do is you need to click that particular folder in the hide section and click the arrow button here. So it will directly come under this wherever the field that we have. So if you consider this technical is here now, and similarly go to the orchestration and do the same thing. And if you now orchestration is also here. And similarly for now I don't need this business SAP Workday and all. Similarly for cloud Azure and Workday, because I am not going to work using those components, that's why I am not doing that. Similarly, for the databases, NoSQL and Couchbase are deprecated or something like that, I am not using those components. That's why it's better to have those in the hidden section instead of in the user section. So this is how you need to move from the hidden folders to the display folders. So once you are done, click apply and close. Now what you mean is if you see in the palette, if you see in the palette, now we will be having orchestration here, and then the following technical as well here. So previously while we are searching for T hash input and T hash output, it is not getting, but now if you click the T hash input, we will be having that option below that, and similarly for the T hash output, and similarly for T flow to iterate as well. Like that, whatever the fields that we have in the show folder, it will come in the studio. But if it is not there in the right side of your palette option, or if it is hidden, though it won't come here in the normal jobs. So this is how you can retrieve it. Suppose if you are facing the same issue, you need to go to the same edit properties and go to the designer and check whether what you are looking for is present in the hidden section or not. If it is present, then you can move that to the show section and you can use those components. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope this is very helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.